Case name Prince, age is 21 years and today date is 17th of May 2024 and complain of high pitched voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
I came here for the treatment of my girlish voice where people are not recognizing me as a male on the calls.
Tell your hobbies.
I love traveling and reading novels.
Came from which place?
Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Post therapy video of Prince and today date is 24th of May 2024. So Prince कहाँ से आप आए हैं, ट्रीटमेंट के बाद क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं? मुझे वॉइस सैंपल चाहिए थेरेपी के बाद.
I have came from Ahmedabad and I'm feeling much changes in my voice after the therapy.
Okay. Tell your hobbies.
I love traveling and reading novels.
Have you spoken to any of your friends on the phone call after treatment?
Yeah, I have talked to my many friends after treatment, and they told me that you have got a better voice before the therapy.
Okay. Are they able to recognize you, or you have to give any proof like this is?
No, they can recognize me because they have saved my contact numbers on their phone.
Okay. Can we use the video for awareness purpose or social media pages?
Of course, yes. You can use my videos.
Okay, thanks for giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in the Prince voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.